name is Elry with J-Tech, and today we're going to be removing and replacing the valve stem on the tire. The reason you might have to replace one is because it might be leaking air from the stem. So today I'm going to demonstrate how you go about that. First, you want to take the air out of the tire by removing the Schrader valve from out of the stem. Like so. Okay, we have the Schrader valve out of the stem. So now we're going to allow this to air out a little bit before we break the outer bead. Alright, next step is we're going to break the outer bead of the tire. And now that we have the bead broken, we're going to place the tire up on the mounting machine. Flip it on. At this point, I'm going to use my stem pulling tool to try to force the stem out of the hole here. Okay, it's not wanting to come, so I'm gonna cut it with this knife here. Cut it about halfway through. Now you should be able to pull it out. Okay, so we got the old stem out, and now we're going to replace it with the new one. With my new valve stem, I'm going to take out the Schrader valve to allow the air to go through the stem faster, the air to seat the beads more quickly. Alright, have our new stem. What I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of lube to the stem. Apply a little bit of lube to the stem so it'll go in easier. Like so. Alright, got this new stem seated. Remove my tool. New stem in. So now the next step is the air up the tire and reseat the beads. See the feeder. Feeder seat. Now I'm going to inflate the tire up to about 32 psi. 30, 32. Alright, now I'm going to take my new Schrader valve, place it into my valve stem.
Still gonna balance it. Out yours. Oh, you watch it pops. Shit. Slide it up on the hub right there, tighten up the nut, and then close the lid. It's literally.
You want to be quick at this point because if not, you can lose a lot of air. Alright. And now I'm going to check the PSI this time, make sure I didn't lose too much air. And if I did, just re-inflate it. Yeah, talk about 10 PSI there. Alright, back at 32 PSI. It's properly inflated. And that is how you move and reinstall a valve stem.